I'm going to show you the easiest, peasiest, cutest little accent bow that you could ever do. Here I've got a yard, that would be 36 inches for people who don't do math. That is 36 inches of wired ribbon. This is about 2 1/4, 2 1/2 inches wide. Take it like this, make it into an awareness ribbon shape, just like that. You're going to put your thumb here and your index finger back here, hold that, do the same thing back here, and put your inside print of your ribbon together like that, and then squish together in the middle. And then I'm just going to take some jute string and secure this. I'm going to tie it in the back like so. I'm using jute just because it's that rustic color. There's that. Easy peasy, cute little bow. I have dovetailed the ends, but if you want to take it a step further, add some raffia in there or any other kind of little accent thing just to give it some more texture. I've got just three strands of raffia. Now this I'm going to tie in the front. If I can get that string back there. Okay, there's that. I'm going to go ahead and give it another knot just so it's secure. Okay, from here, you can tie the raffia into another bow if you want. I kind of like just cutting it off and letting it do its own thing. There you have it. Easy peasy.